cut a long story short. So there was this time when he sent his missionaries, his birds out to go and check what's going on, scope around town. And there in this place in Yemen, there was this queen, Sheba, known as Bilqis. The hudhud bird came back and told him that the bird said, I found a woman who is a queen. She has a very sophisticated throne. She is very wealthy, large armies, but she doesn't worship Allah. See where the dawah comes in. Even the birds was given dawah. The bird mission was dawah. You see half his money? That's when I try to tell you, brothers, get up and let's go on dawah. Everybody tell me I got to stay home, I got to cook, I got to cut the grass. Stuck for it. Boy, I get a landscaping person to cut the grass and go do some dawah. You're trying to save $25 and paying a landscaping person. The birds used to go around to see who is worshiping Allah or not. And the birds came back. The hudhud came back and told him she's not worshiping Allah. So what he did, very interesting, and I want to share this with myself and you. He wrote a letter to her. And this is another lesson, how you write a letter. And in his letter he said, in the same surah, chapter 27, verse 30, he said, Min Sulaiman wa innahu bismillahir rahmanir rahim. In the letter, that teaches us when you write a letter, he was writing a letter to a non-Muslim, doesn't worship Allah, but he wrote Bismillahir Rahmanir. So when you hear some characters telling you, don't write Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim on your letter. Some of us write letters to Muslims and we don't put Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Sulaiman alayhi salatu wasalam is writing a letter to a non-Muslim. And he puts Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Go check the verse. Ayah number 30, chapter 27. And another lesson we learn in this, the sunnah of writing a letter is that you must always put it as from whom the letter is coming. From Sulaiman. That was a sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ also. Whenever he wrote a letter, he will say from Muhammad ﷺ. And then, and begin in the name of Allah and write your letter. It has barakat.